Good evening from Grand Family Farm. It's about 4:30 on January 6th, 2025. And it's getting cold out here. It's been a real pretty day. See, still not too many clouds in the sky. See the snow in the hills there. Over here. So anyway, we're going down here to feed these animals for the night before it gets dark. And that'll be it for me for today, and hopefully tomorrow we'll get more clear sky like this. I'm guaranteeing it's going to be cold tonight, so that should help the ground freeze again and make it easier to walk out here in the morning. And the cat's always hanging out down there. Can't wait for spring.